Namaste, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, friends, sportsmen, scholars, students, professionals and officials, doctors and ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. Today we are thinking, concentrating, discussing the topic, how should we help in Make in India. It is, and it will the dream of our present Prime Minister to generate a new thought and feeling in spite of increase in generation, in population. As he is the strongest and staunch believer of Swami Vivekananda, who is known as the ardent believer of Brahmanism in the human values. He was experimentally and fundamentally used in his actions, not for Indians but for foreigners. He addressed our Indian culture, he messaged it. When he was residing in India under Ramakrishna Paramahans, his energy was stable and constant. We can say it was his unchanged and stable, consistent form of energy. But this energy, which was revealed, unfolded in the America when he went there in 1993, when he experimentally and practically showed that what is the energy, power of my culture and country. This was really created the upheaval in the whole universe. So our present Prime Minister is totally and staunchly, ardently following that greatest reformer. On that basis, or on the basis of our culture and civilization, on the basis of morality, moral values, we should spend our daily life, our daily routine according to Ayurveda. We must take the lesson from the sun externally, but internally there are innumerable suns we have in our body, because our body is the part of that omniscient, omnipotent and omnipresent power of the word. He is not the power of one word, but he is the power of two words. One power, external power, second one is internal power. Our internal power is the most powerful in comparison to external powers. It is said in our all religious books also, and we can feel, and experimentalists of the soul and spirit have proved that we have a number of suns, moon, star, skies inside our human body. We can see, we can feel with not these external eyes, but that eyes are the different from these eyes. Some had said that eyes are the eyes of wisdom, eyes of wiseness, but that spiritual eyes is unexplained, indescribed. Nobody can judge that power and that things. We can help our nation and society by changing our attitude, by changing our nature, by changing our habits, by changing our character. Nationally, upon the healthy generation, education and health are the greatest topics for the whole community, that makes us resourceful. Indian talent can be flourished. Indian talent, techniques, manner, methods, skills, styles can be uplifted. This can be improved by improving our daily routine. Our daily routine is the great part of our life. How do we spend our 24 hours? Where do we spend? When do we spend? And why do we spend? When we think upon these things, then we can improve our personal living style, social living style, and national living style. There are so many instances we caught from our society to help and counsel young diverse women to get married again and start a new life. Again, by finding good matches, somehow, unfortunately, it happens that young divorcee woman is to get married again with help and counsel to start a new life again by finding good matches. Under some adverse and critical situations, it happens. Institutions, trust and charity based organizations help some social destitute ladies. Counselors are ready to help in such cases, and issues are solved out by the utmost labor and need. In India, traditional marriage system, it was popular that he or she should follow marital customs and rituals conventionally unsatisfaction and impatience become a great problem of destruction and frustration in the couple. Dowry system and properties become the cause of distract between them. Lack of knowledge of the relationships become a great cause of break in the relationship. Disease, illness, sufferings become the cause of downfall, so they isolate themselves. Isolation is the great factor for recovering, healing of the health. Such isolation, which is based upon some discriminations, that is harmful. Both are healthy. Life with isolating and quantitative. Now, man should respect her, and she should respect him. Selfless life, tell them to live healthy and peaceful. Fear of desolation and fear of tension and anxiety do not unite them again. Both of them should lead their life friendly and fearlessly for bringing a revolutionary change in thought and social system of Indian society. So, true love is the love of God between spirit and supreme power. That love is beyond to reach and selfless love, where there is no confinement of the finance, physical, emotional and sensitive, but that is spiritual, purely away from all these foundations. If a man believes in these things, then he can prepare himself for facing such challenges in life. Out of all kind of jobs, to be a true soldier is the most pious duty for the devotion and dedication with the nation of martyr and sacrifice for the noblest cause of humanity is the highest business and job. This is the work of self-motivation and encouragement. George Bernard Shaw in English literature, who is known as the realist, has written a novel, Arms and the Men.